In this video, I want to share with you how we can scale a back-to-school senior 2026 niche that is starting to sell. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch-on-demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that niche that we can scale out, just want to do a quick sales update for merch-on-demand and for Etsy. So today is Tuesday, July 22nd, 5:57 p.m. in the late afternoon, early evening, and it's been kind of a weird day on merch. So 26 sales but only $33 in royalties. A lot of my newer designs have been selling today, so kind of lower royalties, plus I have like $20 in return, so nothing really too much to brag about right here. But the past couple days have been pretty good, so no complaints there. 109 and 105, so I like to see that. But that's going to put me at 858 sales for the month and $2,107. And if we take a look at my stats for Etsy, so today is July 22nd. I have 6 orders, about $80 in revenue, and that is going to put me for the month at right around $1,600, I believe. Yeah, so $1,599 and 103 sales. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch on Demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 20 years. Alright, so the other day I recommended a niche on my school community, which is this one right here. And if we take a look at it, it says press start to begin final level senior 2026. And I actually really like this design because it's like a triple cross niche. We have senior, cross niche for 2026, cross niche with video games. But I thought it was a really clever way to say like final level. Levels are what are in video games, so that's why it makes sense. So I thought this was a very clever design. But it got my little merch on demand mind thinking about how I can apply this same type of like phrase or style to other type of niches for senior 2026. So that's what I want to share with you here. And if we actually just take a look at this design on Merch Dominator, go to bestsellers, type in final level right here, final level, you'll see, go to newest. Here are actually some designs that are already up and selling. So I just want to share with you that. But I went ahead and I made some designs for other niches that I want to share with you, and I actually even made prompts for you that you can go ahead and just download for free right here on my PayHip shop. So 8 free final level senior 26 prompts. Link is in the description. You can get those for free. Just go ahead and leave a like if you like them. But the way that I thought that we could really apply this phrase or style to other niches for senior 2026 is going to be with sports. Now, you might be able to be more creative than me and think of other ways on how you can, scale this out. But I wanted to share with you what I came up with. So like right here, we have the final set. So a final set, senior mom 2026. So if you know how to play volleyball or the rules of volleyball, you play by sets. And so this is the final set. So instead of like saying the final level like for video games, it's the final set, 2026, that's the year. And then we have senior mom. Now, you don't have to do this for mom. You can just do senior, or you can do it for all the demographics like mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, etc. But I thought this was a very clever kind of, clever design, and actually a good design. I think it came out really nice. And I made another one as well, but this one not for mom, just for seniors. So senior 26 is the year, and then the final set. Because the majority of these designs that you're going to see for like volleyball senior 2026 is just going to be like, proud senior or proud mom of a senior. And so I thought this was kind of like a different way to kind of do this. So I thought that was kind of clever. And then here is one for tennis, because tennis you also play by sets. And this is another niche that kind of a lot of people kind of neglect. They don't think about it. They just focus on like volleyball, basketball, football, like the major sports. But senior tennis 2026 is also a good niche that I've done well in. And here you see I have the final set as well, taking that same idea from this design right here. Instead of the final level, the final set. And then here are some more. So here we got senior 2026 mom, the final quarter. So here it is quarter because in football and in basketball you play by quarters. So we got senior 2026 mom, the final quarter. Again, you can just get rid of mom, or you can keep mom. You can add in dad, grandma, grandpa, brother, sister. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. So here we got the final quarter again, but for basketball. So we're taking, basketball, cross-nation it with senior, and with 2026. So the final quarter, senior basketball finished strong, 2026. I think this one turned out really nice as well. Again, it can be, scaled out to mom, dad, etc. Now we're going to, the baseball or the softball niche. So senior 26, but this time it's the final inning. Because in softball or baseball, you play by innings. So we got Senior 2026, the final inning, and then we got the one for baseball. Let me just get my head out of the way here. We got the baseball one. So this one I did with Senior Mom, just to kind of switch things up. Senior Mom 2026, the final inning. So those are ones for sports, and you might be able to think of some other sports, like maybe for like wrestling or for cheerleading or for dancing. Maybe you can think of something where this would make sense. These are just the ones that just came to my mind. The quickest or the fastest. And there was one other one, because it doesn't just have to be sports. Like if you're creative enough, maybe you can ask ChatGPT, or maybe it'll just come to you. But this one came to me right here, the final chapter, and then Senior 2026. I thought this was a really good one as well, because here we're taking the book niche, which is a great niche on Merch on Demand. It's been selling very well ever since that law came out like a few years ago, where they were trying to like ban books. So right here we got the final chapter, Senior 2026. I mean, I think that might be the best. Well, they're all good, but this one I think turned out really nice. So comment below. Let me know what you think about these niches. Again, you can download them for free. I also am offering a end of the sale month on all my prompts. So if you want to like kind of search around, look for like some bundles. The ones that would probably make the most sense just for the time of year that we're in right now is going to be like these Halloween prompts. You get 100 prompts. 100 Halloween prompts for only $7.50. And also if you go to the monthly prompts, like we got August. Where's August? What should be so August and September. And then if you're looking for a deal, this one right here, we can get 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50, so 50% off. So if that's something that you're interested in, and then if you want to join my school community, click the link in the description. I put posts out like this every day where I share with you, 4 Merch on Demand prompts, or four Merch on Demand niches with prompts, and then also I do the same thing for Etsy as well for digital downloads. So if you're interested, click the link in the description for the school community. It will take you to a video, and you can find out more information on who my school community is for and what you receive as a school community member, because I also have a whole bunch of GPTs that will actually write your listings for you, whether it's for Merch on Demand and for Etsy. It just makes things so easy. All right, but that's going to be it for today's video. Comment below, let me know what you think about this niche right here, the final level, the final set, the final inning, final quarter, and the final chapter. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.